Lindsay is frozen in place. Oh, well, she was supposed to do hola. So, hi, my name is Alexander Karlsson. I work for a company called Click. It's an old Swedish company, so we build and sell analytics software. And we have been doing it since 1993, so we did analytics before it was cool. So we're like the ultimate data hipsters. So basically what we do on a day-to-day basis is that we take boring stuff like this, data, and we turn it into sort of actionable visual analytics. But we were kind of facing a problem a couple of years ago as we were sort of evolving our platform, is that we were growing the developer size of our team. So how do we teach for like 200-300 front-end engineers to build data visualizations? So we couldn't send them to school and get a PhD in data viz, so we needed to build some kind of tool to allow them to construct data visualization without having to be an expert in the field, essentially. So what could we do? Like, we could go and teach them D3.js. Anybody played with that before? Oh, yes. So then you know what I'm talking about. It's not the simplest tool in the world, but it has amazing expressiveness. So we kind of sat down and said, well, so what should we do about this? So we built a tool on top of D3 called Picasso.js. So Picasso.js takes a slightly different approach to visualizations. So instead of having to code everything from scratch, you can think about visualizations as component layers. So essentially, to construct a bar chart, you have two axes that are components, and then you have a bar component. And then you assemble those together, and you can sort of build visualizations. So instead of thinking about line charts and scatter plots and bar charts, you think about components, and then how you can reassemble those. So we built a library on top of this, of course, like everybody else do. But we think it's pretty good. We ship it, and we use it in production. So it's currently in production use at about 30,000 companies across the world. So it's heavily used. It's highly extensible. And of course, you know, it's responsive by design. It ships with interactivity. And since I'm like the last guy to stand between you and lunch, I'm just going to keep it very short and say that, you know, go check it out. It's on the web. It's open source. It's free. Go grab it. Play with it. If you want to see it in action, come visit us in the corner in the Expo Center, and we can talk to you there. So go have food.